dude.
What?
It's so hot.
Oh yeah, it's a really hot day. But before we start the video, I want to just say thank you guys for 100 subscribers.
Sweet.
We haven't made a video in a while, so we got to make this one. Just push right here.
Yeah, just push
it all the way in.
Keep pushing, and then give it a little tug. Not too much force. You don't want to crack the mirror. This is going to come out. So, depending on whether you have the what are these? The mirror defrosters or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is for the mirror defroster, and then this is for the what do you call that thing at nighttime?
What?
When they have headlights behind you and it turns blue, like tints itself.
Oh yeah, it's like a auto dim.
Yeah, it has like an auto dim feature, so you're gonna have these two cables to remove. This one, not too hard, just this little clip down here and it comes off, and then these two, you're gonna need a. Oh yeah.
Let's show them.
Just push. It should just slide out. Oh, I hate the fact that I have huge hands.
You see?
He has smaller hands, all right?
It is now.
Yes, that is exactly why. Shut up. Yeah,
How
so
Sal's holding the bottom.
Down on the gel a little bit. So when you pull this off, you really don't want to tear the gel. Is it coming off? I can't even see.
Yeah, a little bit. Keep going. There you go.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Come on.
Almost got it.
Oh, I always forget how much that burns, man.
All right, there's the first one.
There we go.
All right, now that these are off, there's a screw right down there.
Right in the middle.
Yeah, you gotta take that to get this off.
9 Torx, I believe. You have one cable here, and then let me take the camera real quick.
All right.
Then after that, you're gonna be undoing a couple other T9s. So you're looking at this screw here, this one here, and I believe, oh, this one in here. Yep. Once those all come off, we'll show you the finished, or the next part of it. But, oh, never mind. Oh, yeah, we took that screw out already. Yeah, I forgot.
He said, oh, never mind. Just slide it, yeah, there you go.
Yep. Yeah, I forgot the torque. Yeah, we did take that screw out. Okay. Well, we took that screw out. I didn't even realize it. Next step is taking these off. You kind of got to pinch it.
Can't really see. It's hard to see. It's just like
kind of a pain.
Should be coming on now.
You can unplug
There we
it,
go.
Plug it from, oh, okay. All right. Now, Tony, do the honors.
This just
It literally
slides
just comes
out,
out.
right?
Slides out, yeah.
doesn't look like it. You sure?
Yeah. But now this is being replaced with this.
Yeah, and so this was a pain to get out of here because it like gets stuck on something back there, so you just kind of force it out.
I'll show it actually. I'll show them how it got stuck on. It basically was hitting right here.
It just hits right there when it's coming out.
You have to really push on it and just pray to God you don't break anything when you push it out. Just make sure you hit it at the right angle when it comes out, and you should be fine.
Looks good. Makes me want to go carbon.
Carbon fiber's
Nah, I'm
cool,
just kidding.
dude. I don't like too much carbon though. Should have made a video on this, on the
oh yeah,
dynamic turn signals. I love these. You never see them, but they're really cool, and they're worth it. It was like literally like $90.
Yeah, so after that you just pretty much start going back from your last steps. You put the turn signals back on.
You see
Well,
what slide on normally. Let me see. All looks good. Now we got to work with the bane of my existence. This is gonna be a piece, dude. Yeah, I know. It's just such a pain, man. It's like to make it fit correctly. So everything literally pushes back in. Just the annoying part is like getting it to fit right.
Why? Well, I guess I figured
More
out.
power to you if you can get it in there, but. Probably should give these a good wipe down before we put it on.
And I'm just trying to figure it out first.
Alright, we will get back to you guys when we can figure this out. Well, Tony got it on. It's clipped in nice and tight.
Yeah, here it doesn't fit that perfect, but that's more like people who made the mirrors folded. See?
I noticed like a lot of videos I watched of people putting on like carbon fiber hoods and trunks. Like no matter what car, the fitment's never like, you gotta like mess with it yourself. Whatever. Fitment's not perfect, but it's literally like barely noticeable. It's literally just this part kind of overhangs over the signal, which isn't too bad. As long as it doesn't impede it, still looks nice. And I think now basically, let me see if I can find it in here somewhere. Yep, there you are. We gotta put up this motor back in, mirror goes back on, and then the other side should be a little bit better now that we're kind of accustomed to taking this thing apart.
Now we're just gonna clip these back in, and yeah, it just goes in like that. Clip. This one's the right one. So
just slowly just put it in there.
Now where it goes. Just wiggle it on, bam.
All right, hold on. I forgot to do one major thing.
Oh yeah, it's gotta tuck in there. Ooh. Don't forget to do that or Sal will get angry.
Oh, it's annoying.
Is it on there? Move it? No, like go in there, turn it on, and see if it moves, see if it pops out. So you don't want it popping out on you. I think it's on though. Yeah, it looks really good.
The tan looks too. The tan works too. Or the tan. Why did I say the
What?
tan? The stupid thing. I forget the damn name.
Tan?
The thing where it does the
Pan?
the jam, yeah.
Alright, so we got that one in.
Basically, repeat the same process on the other side.
So we're probably not going to record as much over there, but you can just see the difference. It's kind of hard to see, but
It's gonna be a little hard to.
silver, and then there's my car. Alright, so we're going to do the fold test to make sure everything sits good, but we noticed that this pops out a little bit, but once you fold it back, it just pops right back into place. But he never really folds his mirrors, so it should be good.
Just currently snapping everything back in place. We're gonna screw everything back together. This gave us a little bit of trouble for some reason this side.
Break this off.
Yeah, we had to break that off the mirror. It was literally useless. We were looking at it, we pulled it out to see what it would connect to back here, and it was just a plastic piece, being a plastic piece. It was just gonna be there. It wasn't gonna clip onto anything. It wasn't gonna touch anything. So I kind of just, just kind of fingered it real quick. I just put my They look nice. I really like the way they look. Cosmetically, besides wheels and all that kind of stuff, look good to me.
And a lip
And a wing. Yeah, I might order one tonight. Actually, I kind of really want one now.
Other than that, guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks again for the 100 subscribers. See you in the next video.